Hello everyone, today I'll demonstrate how to install the FOCUWAY dashcam hardwire kit. First, let's organize the fuses and fuse adapters into categories. Although we have 4 sets, we only need 1. Please refer to the manual to locate your car's fuse box. Now, taking the 2022 Ford Explorer as an example, the fuse box is located here. Remove the fuse box cover and you'll find many fuses. We need to identify an ACC fuse and a constant fuse. As shown, the ACC fuse circuit is controlled by the ignition key, and there is no current when the key is removed or the engine is off. The constant fuse is directly connected to the car battery, providing power even when the engine is off. So, how do you find the correct fuses? The first method is to check your car's manual or the fuse box diagram on the cover. If you don't have them, you can also Google your car make and year to find the information. Generally, the radio or cigarette lighter fuse is ACC and the door lock fuse is constant. If you can't find it, you can use a car voltage tester, which is usually available at hardware stores. Connect one end of the voltage tester to the car door lock, ensuring the car is turned off. This is crucial. Now, let's check. If the light comes on, it means it's constant power. If not, it's ACC. If the light doesn't come on, it means it's ACC. Next, we need to mark a constant power fuse and an ACC fuse, take a photo, and remember their locations. First, remove the ACC fuse, then compare the removed fuse with these 4 fuses in terms of size and shape. It looks like this one, so we need to use this set of fuses and the fuse adapter. Take away the rest and keep this one. Now, open the manual and confirm that the ACC fuse should be connected to the red line. There are 3 lines here. Connect the ACC fuse to the red line, the constant fuse to the yellow line, and the ground wire. First, connect the fuse adapter to the red line. Then insert the ACC fuse removed from the car into the outside of the adapter. Alright, we've inserted the original ACC fuse. Now we need to insert our provided fuse into another slot. Now, remove the constant fuse we found earlier. This one. The voltage tester lit up just now. This is the constant fuse we took from the car and, like before, insert it into the outside slot of the adapter. The original fuse is in place, and this is our provided fuse. Insert it into the outer interface. OK. Remember, the yellow line connects to the constant fuse. Remember, the yellow line connects to the constant fuse. Now, let's insert the fuses back into their original positions in the fuse box. First, insert the red ACC line into the original ACC fuse position. Then, insert the yellow constant line. This goes into the original constant fuse position. Finally, insert the black ground wire into the car frame screw. Use a wrench to loosen the screw first and then insert it to secure. Now, put the fuse box cover back on. It's important to note that we need to route the wires from the top, leaving enough length to connect to the dash cam. The benefit of doing this is that we can hide the excess cable in the fuse box location. Then, thread the wire through here. When we reach this point, we have this much wire left. Roll it up and tuck it in here. Now, plug in the voltage regulator, start the engine, and the dash cam should light up and start recording. Now turn off the engine. The dash cam will automatically turn off the screen and start parking monitoring.